Hot Wheels Volkswagen ID Buzz. The Hot Wheels Volkswagen ID Buzz was released in 2023.
Let's open the card.
The color of the car is pomelo yellow, and it has Y 5-spoke wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights and Volkswagen badge. On the side, it has candy white trim. On the back, it has ID.Buzz, detailed taillights and Volkswagen badge, smoke window tint, black plastic base. Hot Wheels Twin Mill 3. This Hot Wheels is part of Pantone Series Mix 1, number 3 out of 6.
Let's open the card.
The color of the car is creative red, and it has white lip creative red AC6 wheels. On the side, it has Pantone 165 and maroon diagonal stripe. Smoke window tint, maroon stripe, and Pantone 165. Creative red plastic base. Hot Wheels 94 Bugatti EB110 SS. The Hot Wheels 94 Bugatti EB110 SS was released in 2025.
Let's open the card.
The color of the car is pearl viola, and it has silver aero disc wheels. On the front, it has Bugatti badge and plastic headlights. On the back, it has purple 110 rear license plate and detailed taillights. Smoke window tint. Black plastic base. Hot Wheels Tesla Model S Plaid. The Hot Wheels Tesla Model S Plaid was released in 2025.
Let's open the card.
The color of the car is ultra red, and it has gray Y5 wheels. On the front, it has Tesla logo and detailed headlights. On the back, it has detailed taillights, several badging, and Tesla logo. Smoke window tint. Black plastic base.